So we're here today to introduce you to our ORBS system. ORBS stands for Oxygenated Organic Refuse Bioremediation System, but you can just call it ORBS. It's a lot easier to remember. But before we get into it, I just want to say thank you for taking your time to take an interest in us and our project here. It means a lot to us, and we feel we have a lot to share. I understand your time's important, but we feel that this will be worth your time. We also understand that we're making some pretty big claims here. And we also understand that extraordinary claims require extraordinary evidence. And what we're hoping is, by making a video series to show how this all works, that we can actually provide the evidence for the claims we're making. So my name is Mike, and this is Jeff behind the camera. And we're a couple of innovators with a passion for finding sustainable solutions. And this is what led us to develop this system in the first place. We wanted to find a sustainable way to create fertilizer so we could grow food in our backyard. We didn't start this project to try and tackle the big issues, but by following what nature does and learning from nature, we've developed something truly special that we feel can make a big difference. You see, what we've done in harnessing the power of nature is to create a system that can take not just sewage or yard waste, but can take any type of organic material, throw in, and in a matter of 24 hours, depending on the material in, it can turn it into a liquid fertilizer. It automatically removes biosolids, it automatically removes sludge, it automatically removes anything inert or heavy from it. It's easy to clean, easy to maintain, and the implications of it are profound. It addresses so many of the issues that we currently have with composting, and we need to compost. We are currently sending, somewhere over 100 kilograms a person to the dump right now. That's food waste to the dump every year. That works out to roughly 1 billion tons a year of food waste, sitting in our dumps, rotting, producing methane, destroying our atmosphere. The runoff leaches into our rivers, our lakes, starves them of oxygen, right? We're doing profound damage to the planet, and we need solutions like this. Again, we didn't know that we were going to do this when we started out on this path, but this system is completely contained. It doesn't leach. It doesn't create any methane. It stays oxygenated. It doesn't create any toxic gases. And it's fast. It's really fast. And the end product is fertilizer. That can go back into our soil. It can feed the ecosystem of our soil. We can stop eroding away the nutrients from our ground. We can complete the cycle that in many ways we've broken. So we have a lot of passion for this project, and it probably shows, but you know, we all want to make a difference. And I'm excited because I can make a difference, and ORBS can make a difference. And as great as it's been, though, like, we've done so much, and we will show you what we've done. But we can only do so much. I mean, I'm sitting in my greenhouse here. It's 16 feet by 10 feet, you know, and we've done essentially everything in this space. And just behind it, I mean, you can see one of the units out there. We're currently using that for 4 households. But we need help. We need to get this out there. We need attention. We need other people to realize how important this is and what a change it could make. Imagine odorless composting. Imagine a world where we don't send 1 billion tons of food scraps to the garbage, where that nutrient, that biomass, that life, that stays in the nutrient cycle, stays in the cycle of life. I think that's pretty important, and I hope we can actually reach out there. We can actually make this thing real, put it in people's yards. I don't know, maybe I'm streaming, but it's how I feel, and I don't know. I hope you can feel it too. So, with that said, I'll get a little more serious here and stop going off on a rant, but we'll get into some of the technical stuff.